Hey guys, so today we're going to try something that's really crazy cool on this machine. This is going to be the HICTOP D3 Hero, and I'm going to show you a little feature that I'm going to try out right now. It's going to be interesting to see how it works. Now, if I remember right, you can go to Tools, you can go Duplicate Mode, or you can go Mirror Mode. I'm going to try Mirror Mode today, and we are going to see if it'll print this baby Groot hollow. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So what it is, I sliced it at 70 millimeters tall. That way it should give us enough gap between them. If I'm thinking right, this thing is going to have both heads go toward the printer and start printing this thing at the same time, one on each extruder, and print two Groots at the same time, maybe facing each other or something if I got the mirror mode figured out. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, and I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. So it was 1 hour and 40 minutes. And let's get this down here. We can take a look here. Look at the fingers. They turned out great. I am surprised. I honestly didn't know what it was going to do when it came to that detail. I'm going to have to heat this bed up just a little bit. That'll make it real. I can remove those a little bit easier. So let me get that done real quick. Okay. Finally came off the bed. I was trying my best not to break off the fingers on this one because it didn't want to pop loose. But let's start out with extruder, or P1 as they call it. This was done with the Lake Blue AMZ 3D PLA. Absolutely beautiful. I'm trying to get a really close look at the fingers. I see a little bit of jagginess to them, but not bad at all. Considering how tiny those things are, I am just shocked it even printed. Now I did size these down to 70 millimeters tall because I originally tried 75, but these two heads butted up against each other right in the center of the build plate and kind of made all the noises like whenever the belts are slipping and all that. But I went ahead and sized it down to 70, then they just touched right in the middle as they're starting to print. So I got to figure out how I can space out the two prints so that they don't butt up against each other. I'm sure there's a setting somewhere. Now this one was done with the AMZ 3D transparent or translucent. The label's facing the other direction, I can't see it, but it's that PLA. Once again, now this one had a little bit of wisps on it between the finger and the head, but they just came right off by just pulling my finger across it. But turned out absolutely perfect. I can't complain about that. And the funny part about this whole thing was it was one model sliced in Cura to be right in the center of the build plate. that's how it is on the SD card. And the fact that you could just take and select one setting on the screen to do a mirror print, and it print exactly the opposite, all in the software of the printer. That's really cool. But I guess a few more features on this I'm going to try out, but that was the one I was looking forward to trying. I won't lie, that was cool. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.